It is the universe supporting and protecting you. Repeat the words, I am supported and protected. I am supported and protected. Now your attention returns to the forest, and amidst the evening's darkness, thousands of tiny fireflies appear. A sense of childlike awe and wonder bubbles up from within you. These fireflies have come to illuminate the path ahead. So when you are ready, take a couple of slow and steady breaths and follow the trail that leads into the forest. Notice the soothing sounds of nature as they envelop you. Insects, owls, and rustling leaves, held amidst a peaceful backdrop of quietude. Allow the light of those luminous fireflies to enchant and support you, leading you every step of the way. Notice their joyful energy as they dance through these mystic woods. The forest air is warm against your skin, as are the clothes wrapped around you. You are completely comfortable in this inner forest.